Welcome to our review of the FUNSWTM 7-in-1 Aquarium test strips. If you're a fish enthusiast, you've probably faced the challenge of monitoring water quality. This product is here to help. Testing the water parameters is essential for creating a suitable environment for your fish. Poor water quality can lead to stress and diseases, affecting their overall lifespan. In just a few seconds, you can dip the strip in your aquarium, wait, and compare it to the color chart provided. Simple and straightforward for anyone. Made from high-quality fiber paper, the no-color bleeding feature enhances the reliability of your test results. This is a cost-effective way to keep your aquatic friends healthy without breaking the bank, plus it comes with a 2-year lifetime guarantee. The FUNSWTM team is passionate about aquarium keeping and ready to provide guidance when you need it. If you're impressed with the FUNSWTM test strips and want to ensure a healthy habitat for your fish, simply click the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.